Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Today I want to show you a SeaRay that we have on brokerage. It's a 2013 330 SeaRay Sundancer. Let's step aboard and take a look. Back on the swim platform, it does have a nice teak swim platform on the very back end. That's a nice option on it. Really nautical look, looks awesome. There is a fold down transom seat. I'm not going to flip it down right now because he does have the camper canvas on. Camper canvas is in great shape. He stores it between sheets of material at the house, keeps it flat, so it's very nice camper canvas package on the boat. Let's go look at the cockpit. Tell you what, seen a lot of pre-owned boats before, and this upholstery is in great shape. I don't see any rips or tears or any fading on the material at all. This does have the teak table, which is a nice upgrade compared to just the regular plastic or fiberglass table. Looks like it's time to have it cleaned and oiled. That thing will look like it's brand new again. Cockpit carpet, snap in and out. It's in good shape. I like that. It does have the upgrade stereo system in here, so it's got some looks like Alpine stereo speakers in here, subwoofer and an amp, so a really good sound system. He does have a cockpit TV that it's winter time here in Dallas right now, so he has that stored away, but it does come with the cockpit TV that's mounted right up here above your little entertainment center. You do have the Kenya grill, good storage compartments all the way across the back. And he's got the extended bimini top, so in the summertime you can get a lot of shade. I really like that. Over here at the helm, this does have twin Merc Cruisers. V8s with the joystick control. Nowadays that's what everybody wants. So you got joystick control with the skyhook option right here on the dash. It also has auto heading, so if you're taking a long run you can just set it to go straight, make little turns by pushing a button. Really nice. Raymarine GPS. Dash is in perfect shape. It's really a good looking boat. Great shape. Again, the upholstery on it, no rips or tears. Everything's still soft. It's been in a covered slip on a freshwater lake. Great boat. Up on the bow, he does have some bow speakers up there. He's got a windlass, remote control spotlight, and a sun pad right there in the center with a headrest. It can pop up for a nice day at the lake to sun lounge. Let's step down below, take a look down here. Traditional layout for the SeaRay. You got the permanent bed up front. It does have a sun hatch up on the top, so you can get a breeze blowing through here or let more natural light into here as well. Sofa seat on the side that can slide out and makes into another berth. Nice galley down here. It's got a refrigerator down below, microwave, double stove, stuff you normally see. Very clean, well kept boat. Also back here in the mid cabin, you've seen it before, U-shaped seating. Pull out, makes into another sleeping area with a privacy curtain right here. TV down here. Great place for guests or kiddos or something like that. Really nice boat. I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Come out and see us if you want to see this boat or have any questions about any of our other new or pre-owned boats. We'd love to help you. Thank you.